Good morning student, I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to explain you 5th chapter of class 7th, and that is adverbs. So first of all we will know the definition of adverbs. So a word that adds some meaning to a verb, another adverb or an adjective is called an adverb. Okay. So in other words, an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb. An adjective or another adverb is called adverbs. Okay. So now let's take example and we will try to understand. First of all, I will write adverb on notebook. Adverb. Okay. Now add. Add. Now this verb verb. So it is very easy to understand. Okay. Adverb means we are adding something to the meaning of verb. Okay. So adverb, what is adverb? Adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb in a sentence. Okay. Example. Let's take example. I can do it easily. I can do it easily. Okay. Now this easily is modifying, adding something to the meaning of verb. Okay. So that is why this is an example of adverb. Okay. Next example number 2. Example number 2. She wept bitterly. She wept bitterly. So, my dear students, please tell me this word bitterly is adding what? Adding to whom? Adding what? Adding this word bitterly is adding something to the meaning of wept. How did she weep? How did she weep? Answer, we will get answer bitterly. Bitterly is adverb. Bitterly is adverb. Okay. So now this word bitterly is adding something to the meaning of verb. So by only this word we can come to know how did she weep. She wept bitterly. So this word is adding something to the meaning of verb. Verb is wept. Okay. Clear? Or I should take one more example. Okay. Third example. Now I will take third example. She walks slowly. Now this word is also an example of adverb. How does it work? So this word is adding something to the meaning of verb, and verb is walks. How does she walk? How does she walk? She walks slowly. So this word slowly modifies the meaning of verb, and that is walks. Okay, so that is why slowly is adverb here. Okay, now we will study kinds of adverbs. Okay, kinds of adverbs. There are 6 kinds of adverbs. So there are 6 kinds of adverbs: adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of manner, adverbs of reason. So one by one we will take it and we will try to understand. So there are 6 kinds of adverbs. Okay, first, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. Okay, so adverbs of time show us the time at which an action takes place. So it shows us time. It shows us time at which an action takes place. It shows us time at which an action takes place. Okay. For example, I have met Uma before. Now, before is adverb of time in this sentence, and this word is adding something to the meaning of verb, and that is met. I have met Uma before. So this word is telling us time. When I have met Uma, I have met Uma before. So whenever a word shows us time at which an action take place, that will be a adverb of time. Okay. Now second, adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency shows us how often something happens. How often something happens. Okay, so we get to know through adverbs of frequency how many times an action takes place. Okay, for example, he visits us regularly. He visits us regularly. It means he is coming to visit us regularly. So this word regularly adding something to the meaning of verb, and that is visit. So frequency, how often he visits us. So he visits us regularly. Okay, so this word regularly adding something to the meaning of visit. Okay, now next is adverb of place. Adverb of place. Adverb of place show us where something happens. Show us where something happens. So place of action we get to know. Okay, through adverb of place. Okay, so example for this we can I can give you. He went up. This word up is adding something to the meaning of went, and went is verb. So through up it shows a place where he went. He went up. Okay, up is adverb of place. Okay, no doubt, any doubt about it? Up is adverb of place. Okay, let's take one more example. The man has gone out. This word out is adding something to the meaning of verb, and that is gone. Where the man has gone? The man has gone out. Okay, so it is showing place and adding something to the meaning of verb. So it will be example of adverb of place. Okay, the man has gone out. Okay, out will be adverb of place. Okay, next fourth is adverb of degree. Actually, adverb of degree show the intensity or the degree of an action. Okay, intensity or degree of an action or a quality. I am so satisfied. Example, I am so satisfied. I am so satisfied. How much? Actually, if I ask a question, how much I am satisfied, answer will get I am so satisfied. So will be adverb of degree. Okay, it answer the question how much. Okay, if I ask question to the verb how much I am satisfied, I am so satisfied. So I will get answer so. So will be adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree shows the intensity or degree of an action or a quality. Okay, next example. The news is absolutely true. So this word absolutely is showing the degree, what amount, how much news is true. News is absolutely true. Okay, so this word absolutely is showing degree. Okay, so that will be adverb of degree. Okay, now fifth, interrogative. Interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb are used at the beginning of a sentence. Used at the beginning of a sentence to ask question. To ask question. Okay. So, example, when can I meet you? This word when is used to ask a place. Okay. Sorry, to ask a time. Okay. It is used to ask a time. Okay. Now last is adverb of reason. Adverb of reason express the reason for an action. Express the reason for an action. Okay. Example, hence, therefore. So these words are expressing reason. So that is why they are called adverbs of reason. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, children, for watching my video. Thank you. Thank you once again.